We are currently living in the age of information, also known as the computer age, which means Web 2.0 tools are all around us. Web 2.0 tools are websites and applications that allow users to create content such as images, videos, audio, etc. The users are then able to post and share their content on numerous different platforms. Not only are users able to share their content, but viewers are also allowed to collaborate with the users and vice versa. Web 2.0 definitely has altered the way the internet is used. As a result of this shift, educational, social media, healthcare, and numerous other platforms have flourished. Due to Web 2.0, social media platforms were designed, and the ability to share content and interact through the web derived into an entirely different playing field. According to Oberiello.com, 242.86 million Americans currently use an extremely popular Web 2.0 tool today, Facebook. Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat are just a few other popular social media Web 2.0 tool sites and applications that have grown from Web 2.0. Educational facilities have also prospered with the help of Web 2.0 tools. Web 2.0 tools are used in many schools and learning facilities to aid in virtual learning environments, classroom management, organization of tests and quizzes for students, such as Edpuzzle, as well as collaboration between staff members. Our healthcare systems are also benefiting from Web 2.0 tools. According to Dean Giustini, UBC Biomedical Branch Librarian, Google is now considered a useful diagnostic aid for doctors who know what they are looking for. Doctors are also turning towards blogs to help with their research. Web 2.0 has generated an entirely new generation of internet consumption. This generational internet services have produced countless Web 2.0 tools which have benefited millions of individuals and businesses around the world. With today's advanced technology, information in general, whether it be medical, educational, or social, is literally at your fingertips.